sets a well-defined collection of objects is called a set. A well-defined collection of all objects is called a set. ठीक? The object of a set is called member or element of the set. The object of a set is called a member or element of the set. The set is denoted by the capital letters. The set is denoted by the capital letters A, B, C, D, etc. X, Y, Z হতে পারে। A এটাকে বলা হয় belongs. A belongs to A. A belongs to A. That is, A is a member of the element, is a member of the set A. A এরকম যদি সাইন দিই, that means A does not belong to A. That means A is not a member of the set A. A does not belong to A. Well defined. That means the collection of all vowels, the collection of all vowels in English alphabet is a set. The collection মানে এর মেম্বার কি হবে A I E O U, তাই না? A I E O U। এবার বললাম all the persons in the world is a set, but all the bad persons were good persons in the world is not a set, since here the collections are well defined, but here the collections are not well defined. Why they are not well defined? Who are the good persons in the world? That classification has not been described. Okay? The classification of this has not been who are the good persons, who are not the good persons. So, just suppose all the boys in the class is a set, but all the boys in a class, but all the tall boys in a class is not a set. All the boys in the class is a set. Who are the tall boys? But if it is mentioned that the boys whose height greater than 5 feet in a class, then they form a set. The tall boys means are not well defined. Therefore, the well defined collection. The collection must be well defined. Objects must be well defined. The collection of all objects, ঠিক আছে, the collection of a well defined collection of all objects এর যে definedটা well defined হতে হবে, ঠিক আছে। The defined must be well defined. They are suppose all the boys in a class is set, that is well defined, but all the tall boys, who are the tall boys? So it does not form a set.